your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
Hey Cubs, what's crack-a-lacking? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a YouTube outro. These are really fun to make and they're free. So feel free to make these. I had a blast making mine. By the way, before we start guys, make sure you guys subscribe because we're almost at 5K and it would mean the world to me if you could get to our goal by the end of this month. So try your best to get to our goal because I have some exciting things planned. So first what you want to do is go to Safari and you're going to search up some free fonts. You'll see why we want to get some free fonts later. Just trust me, this will do wonders for your outro and it'll make it look 100 times better. So once you've chosen your font, I'm using Coasterquake. Look how cute it is. I actually use this for my channel art. Trust me, you will not regret using this one. It is so cute. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and click download. Okay guys, so once you choose your font, I'm using Coasterquake. So what you're gonna do is click download. And then I'll say, do you wanna download coasterquake.zip? And you're gonna press download. Once you do that, you're gonna open it in files. So after that, you're gonna open it in files and go to Coasterquake. And you're gonna hold that down and you're gonna go to share. Next, you're gonna copy it to Fonto. After that, you're gonna click install. And that's how you download a custom font. So now we can get into actually making our thumbnail. So you're gonna press this little camera icon and press photo album. Next, you're gonna click the photo that you wanna use. So this is the picture I chose. All I did was search up aesthetic scenery and this is the one I got, but it comes with all these different filters. I usually use vibrance just to make it look extra nice. Then you're gonna press done and press add text. So obviously we need a subscribe button, so we're just gonna write subscribe here. Then go to font, press my fonts, and this is where it'll show the font that you guys got, which was Coasterquake or whatever font that you guys wanted on the website. Next, you're gonna click done and press size, and obviously you're gonna make it larger. Next, go to style, and I usually like to put this black outline just to make it look a little bit nicer. Also, you guys might want to put a other video's title so you can link the video right there so you get more views and other people will watch the next video. So you're going to write other video and you're going to put that in the other side. I also like to make a thanks for watching title just to make it a little bit more heartwarming and cute. Again, go to style and then do what we did before. And then you're going to put it wherever you guys want. I actually am going to change the color of the subscribe button. So you're going to go to create a color pattern if you want to make it look super cute. And then you're going to go to up here. And obviously you can make it like this, but personally I like to go up to the top where it says horizontal and change it to vertical. And then I'll create my color pattern. After that, you're just gonna send it back to your camera roll. Okay guys, so after you exited Fonto, you're gonna go to Pocket Video. Okay guys, so once you're in Pocket Video, you're gonna go to create a new project, go to custom video, go to landscape, and then press plus, go to photo, obviously press the photo we created. So once we have our photo in here, you're going to go to trim and make this as long as you can and press the check mark. After that, go to video sticker, go to add, go to camera roll, and select the one you want to use. By the way, I just screen recorded some royalty-free lo-fi beats off of YouTube. Then what you're going to want to do is, this is kind of tedious, but you're going to make it super duper 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 small to the point where you can't see it on your screen. And now you have an image with music on it. So once you're done with that and you're happy with it, go to finish. and press save to camera roll. Okay guys, so that's how you make a YouTube outro. Please leave a like if this helped you guys. I know it did for me a super duper long time ago. I had to figure this out on my own, which kind of sucks. So I want to spread my knowledge to other people. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. We are almost at our 5K goal. So thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.